Okay. So what we will do here is, first of all, what we will do, we will hire one person properly. We will hire one person properly, and then we will terminate that particular person, and again we will rehire the person. Okay. What is the
Okay.
flow?
We have to hire an employee.
Okay. First we will
Again, we
hire
have to
one person.
terminate the employee and again rehire.
We will hire a person, hire an employee, so that employee person record will be coming. Person record will be created. Person record will be created. Okay. So now terminate the employee. Terminate the employee means we are going to terminate the employee, and the person record will exist. Remember this one. When you terminate the employee, only work relationship will be ending. What is meant by work relationship? What is meant by work relationship?
Yeah, the employment with the organization.
Work relationship is a relationship between
employee and employer.
Employee and
employer.
Organization.
Employee and legal employer.
Legal employer.
So technically legal employer.
Legal employer, yes.
Okay. Work relationship is nothing but relationship between employee and person. Whether it is a contingent worker or employee, anybody or non-worker. Work relationship is relationship between a person and a legal employer. Whether it is employment, or contingent or non-worker, anything. It's a work relationship. Or if you call relationship between employee and legal employer. Okay. So what is work relationship?
A relationship between employee and the legal.
Yes. So when you terminate the employee, only work relationship will be ended. Okay. Ended. We cannot can't remove the person record from the system or
the database.
Oracle applications. Relationship will be ended means, so we are ending the relationship between employee and employer. But we cannot remove the person record. Then if you want to rehire, you don't have to create again, right? Because already person record is there. We are not removing the person record from the system or Oracle Cloud applications. Only we are ending the work relationship. So when you rehire an employee,
so basically, sir, records will not get deleted. Only the person will get terminated.
Correct. Yeah. Once a record is created, it cannot be deleted. You just remember that. Once a record is created forever.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So you can end the relationship with effective date, but the record you cannot delete. Okay. Now we can rehire the same employee because the record is already there. As person record is already there, we don't have to create new person. Only we need to update the new hire date. New rehire date.
Sir, this is kind of a global transfer thing, sir. Like when we are transferring.
It is a kind of. Yes. It's a kind of. But if you are doing with the same legal employer.
Yes.
See, it's a kind of, but here in the global transfer, it's a different legal employer.
Yes, sir.
But here it is in the same legal employer. Let us take TCS US Private Limited and TCS India Private Limited. This is called as a global transfer.
Yes, sir.
But if you're within the TCS only, US Private Limited, this is called as termination and rehire.
Rehire.
There is no change in the legal employer itself.
Okay.
We are rehiring in the same legal employer.
Mm.
Okay. So everybody understood the concept? Please, everybody,
Yes, sir.
let me know whether you understood the concept or not.
Yes, sir.
So what is meant by work relationship?
A relationship between employee and
Employee and employer, legal and
Okay.
legal employee.
employer.
So when you terminate an employee, whether the
Mhm.
person record will be deleted from the system?
No, sir.
No,
It won't delete.
we cannot remove.
Relationship we answer.
We will not delete.
We cannot remove or
Okay.
delete.
Delete.
Right.
Remember, this is very much important. Interview question. They
Okay.
will ask you to confess, I have terminated an employee. Please let me know whether the particular person record will be deleted or not.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So now we are terminating an employee and we are rehiring in the same legal employer. This is important. We are terminating in this TCS US Private Limited. We are hiring in the same. We are hiring in the same legal employer. Both are same.
Yes.
So we are terminating. Let us take July 31st of this month. Okay, and we are hiring on October 1st, 2020. Let us take January 1st, 2026. Okay. After 6 months, we are rehiring the same person. So we don't have to create a new person record. It's already there. So everybody understood what is meant by termination, what will happen to
Yes.
work relationship when we terminate an employee, and what is meant by rehire an employee. Rehire means what? We are rehiring in the same legal employer. There is no change. Global transfer means we are rehiring in a different legal employer within the enterprise.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay. Now we will see that in the application. So everybody able to see my screen?
Yes.
Okay, we will hire an employee. So I'm hiring with the past date. Let us take January 1st. Okay. So legal employer is US1 legal entity. So preferred pronouns, she, title, miss. Okay. Gender, female, date of birth, 1/1/1985. 1/1/1985. Okay. Now click on next. Zip code, Nashville, Tennessee. Okay, we can add phone number and email details. You can add, no problem. Business unit, US1 business unit. So employee, payroll eligible. So position. Okay, we don't want to go with the positions right now. So we'll select some job. Okay, we will take positions, no problem. So now click on next. So we are giving salary range. US1 annual salary. I want to see whether any approvers are there. I want to cross check whether any approvers are there for hiring an employee. I don't want to take chance now. Okay, approvers are there. So I want to bypass this one. It's going for self-auto approve only, but I want to bypass. Click on submit. So until you submit the transaction, even the approvers are showing, it won't go for approval after this one. Only after clicking on the submit button only, the transaction will get triggered.
So, sir, you mean in between this filling up the data, in between only we can go back and
You can go
bypass
back and
the
yes, you
approval.
can come back again. Yes.
Okay, and we don't need to fill it again and again.
We don't have to fill
Right?
it again and again. Once fill
Okay,
it,
just save the data. Okay, okay, sir. Got it.
now we have created an employee. Go to person management. What is the name of the employee? Rebecca Roberts. So we have created, we have hired an employee with finance director job. Okay. With what is the hire date?
Hire date is on 125. Effective start date.
1/1/2025. January 1st. Okay.
Yes.
You have hired an employee. Okay. Now
Yeah.
I want to terminate. What is the termination date? July 31st. Go to
Tasks.
work relationship.
Okay.
Here,
Action.
terminate. Okay. Go to work relationship. The task is go to work relationship, and that under that one, select terminate.
So we have option in Redwood environment also, right?
Yeah, Redwood also same.
Right, right.
The concept is same. Just
Yes.
look and feel would be the different.
Yes.
But the Redwood pages right now, it's not that stabilized.
Okay.
So we don't want to take any risk. First learn the
Okay.
functionality, and just once you have mastered the functionality, we can easily understand, okay, this is just look and feel only.
Okay.
So go to where we have to go. Work relationship.
Work relationship. Action.
For work relationship, action,
Action.
Terminate.
Terminate.
So when I want to terminate,
July 31st.
Termination date would be July 31st. Notification date today only.
maybe notification date, July 1st. Can change. 1 month notice period. So termination date is 31st of July. Employer comments. So here the action is employee has resigned. There are so many action reasons.
Voluntary.
So for termination, yesterday we have seen action reasons, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
So action is what is the reason here? Terminate is the action. What is the action here? Terminate. So
Yes.
terminate. What is the action reason?
Resignation. If not, if the employer is terminating, means we will select termination, sir.
Yeah, we can select termination. Termination. So the reason you can see disciplinary, health reasons, performance, and work reasons.
So the option will get changed if we change the action, right? Under every actions, we do
For
have
every
some
action,
different
yeah, action reasons would be there.
actions. Yes.
Let us take resignation, compensation, benefits, better opportunity, incompatibility with the manager, no advancement potential, personal reasons. So better opportunity.
Better.
If company is terminating him, termination.
Okay.
Discipline.
Based upon performance.
Performance and
health reasons. Better I want to go with resignation. Mostly employee has given the resignations, right?
Yes, most cases.
80%, 90% would be employees will resign the companies. So resignation and better opportunity, right? Okay, now, even though whether employee is resigning this organization, as a HR specialist, you have to recommend whether it is rehire eligible or not.
Oh.
Otherwise, suppose if you recommend rehire, no, you cannot rehire this person. Gross misconduct, low performance, or something like that. Negotiated settlement. Recommended for rehire, no. Low performance. So who is the authorizer? Somebody else.
Some managers.
Or any kind of misconduct.
Who will initiate the termination in the tool? Who have the access to terminate the employee? Manager initiate or HR only?
No, HR only. For terminations, HR only. For resignation.
But who initiate? Who initiate?
See, actually, there are two things here. it is a resignation. 90% cases would be resignation, right?
Yes.
Right.
Okay. So who will initiate this? Who will initiate this one?
Employee.
Employee will initiate.
Okay. Then it will go to manager
It
for
will go
further
to
approval,
manager.
and then
It will go to
when
manager and HR also.
okay,
Yes.
side by side. Okay.
When employee has given a resignation, you go to manager and HR. HR is also important, right? So all kind of hiring and resignations, a human resource specialist is a main important role, right?
Yes.
Okay. So they will get the notifications. So once employee given the resignation, they will get the notifications based on that one. Employee login, based on that one, HR specialist login and give that we are terminate the work relationship. What is the action? Resignation. What is the reason? Better opportunity. Okay. So now recommended for rehire. This is very much important. If you recommend a rehire as only, again system will accept you to hire the particular person. No, it will not accept. So what is the condition you have to keep here while giving
Yes.
recommended for rehire?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. If you want to rehire again the same person, okay, he is going for a better opportunity and we don't want to spoil his career. We want, if tomorrow again he want to come back, we are always welcome for him. So that's why recommended for rehire is, yes, it is very much important condition. If we keep as no means, we cannot rehire the same person.
Sir,
So
what is
revoke user access. Revoke user access means user will have your login credentials, right?
Yes.
So when you want to revoke the user access, immediately or after the termination. So when is his termination? 31st.
31st July.
Till 31st, he will be having the access.
Yes.
Okay.
Got it.
So now we have seen the termination of work relationship. Okay. Now I want to see this one also is having any kind of approvals or not. So terminate employee is also bypass approval not enabled.
Not enough.
Enable the approvals. Enable the bypass approvals. Okay. Now go to review. Okay. Now if you go to approvers, bypass approval will be enabled here. So if you see here, recommended for rehire, yes. Recommended for rehire, yes. And you revoke user access. When we have to revoke the user access?
After
the termination. Come submit. So processing option, when you want to process, sometimes while see, resignation is a little bit sensitive subject, right? Termination and resignation. Sometimes we will take some deferred time. Deferred time. We want to wait for another. If the employee want to change his mind and we want to revoke that one. So that's why we will take some time to process this one. But here I want to make it immediate. Okay. Processing option of this transaction. Whether you want to process immediately or you want to take some deferred time.
So I have a question. With this deferred time, what do you mean by exactly? Like we have terminated, we have processed it. So this is what when we are going to process this transaction.
Yeah, the transaction will submit on particular given date, 31st, 30th. Until that, this particular transaction will not be terminated.
Okay, so this transaction will get automatically processed, or we need to go back and
automatically process.
Automatically processed.
The process changes on suppose particular given date. Only on 30th it will be processed. Until that, suppose if employee has taken that decision back, we can cancel the transaction. So in multiple scenarios, so most of the cases, employees will take back the resignation, right?
Right.
So at that time, we can cancel the transaction.
Okay, sir, one question. Cancel. Okay, you are going to tell us, right? How we gonna cancel?
Yeah, we can see.
Yes. Okay.
So right now, so it's very early stages. We will see only immediate processing.
Okay.
You have submitted the transaction of resignation. Okay, you submitted the transaction of resignation. So when that resignation will applicable? When what is effective date?
31st.
July 31st.
Hmm.
July 31st is the effective date. So Rebecca Roberts. So Rebecca Roberts, so she as of now, today's date, it is showing active and payroll eligible.
Correct.
Why it is showing active and payroll eligible?
Because
This is
effective date would be 31st July. After that only it will be inactive.
Yes, effective date is only July 31st. Until that, the employee is
Active.
active and payroll eligible only. Okay. Now, let us take, I will select one. August 1st.
I think so. August 1st by 12 o'clock or after 12 o'clock, the access or it will get deactivated. Is it?
It will impact immediately. 1 second.
Okay.
Sir, you said self-approvals are there, no? Maybe we need to.
Yeah, it is going for approval. Yes.
Approve.
So now it got triggered. The termination got triggered and it is completed.
Yes.
So immediately within 1 minute, we have cross-verified, right? So it is
Yes,
under
sir.
approval state. So that's why it is not triggered immediately. So now we will go back and verify that.
Sir, actually we bypass the approvals, no? And again, why it's going
Yeah,
back?
bypass the approvals, but when we submit the transaction, the bypass
Okay.
approvals are not enabled. But I
Okay.
have seen the transaction is gone to self-approval and then only I have
Yes.
submitted that one.
Okay.
Even this also took some time,
Yes.
but I have not waited for that one. For Rebecca Roberts. So today's date, she is eligible, active and payroll eligible. Okay, let us take October 2nd, sorry, August 2nd. So it is not showing any record, right?
Yes, sir.
Means what is our concept?
Termination.
Employee record has been
You have
deleted or what?
mentioned.
No, sir.
What
We
happened
can't-
then?
Sir,
Why it is
there
not showing?
we haven't selected that include termination, terminated work relationship also.
Very good.
Then, yes.
So now, what is the status?
Inactive.
Okay, inactive, payroll and eligible. Payroll eligible. Okay, now we have completed which scenario?
Termination.
Hire an employee completed, termination completed, and now we want to rehire the person. Okay. When is that? When is the hire, termination date? July
31st.
When is the rehire date? What is the hire date? January 1st, 2025.
Right. Yes.
Okay. This is the hire date. This is the termination date. This is the okay. So these dates are very much important here. So always remember in Oracle, effective date is the most important concept. Date effective records on everything. So now what we have to do? We have to rehire an employee, right?
Yes, sir.
So select the record, whichever the employee we have terminated. Select this checkbox. Okay, select this checkbox and search the employee. We will get this record, right? We'll get
Yes.
the record. Now go to actions. We can go like this also, or we can select the record also. Go to actions, person and employment, create work relationship.
Person.
Okay, create work relationship. So when is the rehire date?
January 1st, 2026.
January 1st, 2026. Under actions, Action reason. There is no action reason. Okay. We have to fill the action page. We are rehiring in the same
Legal.
one legal entity. You want to change, you can change. But we are rehiring in the same company. Okay.
Sir, if we are giving a like other legal employer, that will be new hire, no, sir?
That will be.
New hire thing, no? Like
But we are
if
in the same enterprise, right?
yes.
So this is also kind of that one. If you want to change, you can change the legal employer. Generally, rehire means general rehire means you are hiring at the same within the same company only.
Yes, sir. Generally.
General rehire means.
Yes.
But Oracle will allow you to hire within the enterprise level.
Okay, enterprise.
That's why we don't have any kind of change in the details also. Only we are changing is rehire. You're not changing anything here. So if you want to change a job, instead of finance director, I want to change something new. Okay. You're not selected the business unit, right? So this is very much important. If you don't select the business unit, always the positions will be tagged to whom? Tagged to which enterprise structure? Positions will be tagged to business unit only. If you don't select the business unit, positions will not display. Now it will display it. So earlier finance director. Now I want to continue in the same position. Okay, we can rehire the same position. Now I want to click on next. I want to improve his salary because he is rehiring after 6 months, right?
Yes. 4 months.
Earlier I wanted $2,000. Now I am giving him $1,20,000. So rehire. Action is rehire an employee. So what is the action we are doing? Rehire only, right?
Rehire. See, hire of employee. Cancel work relationship is still new.
With a new work relationship. This is.
Yes, that is.
For hire and rehire, I think the same approval, I guess. Otherwise, just within seconds, it will not update. For hire and rehire, it is same.
Sir, we have selected new hire, a new work relationship is there, no? Or that is for what, sir?
No. See, we have selected what? Create work relationship, right? Yes.
Yes.
Create work relationship.
Yeah, new work relationship.
Okay, manage work relationship already there. I think this is the one.
I think so.
Manage work relationship for rehire, this is the one. Because just now we have changed within the second, it will not impact there.
Okay.
So rehire will depend upon the manage work relationship.
Manager.
Click on submit button. So important thing here is what is the rehire date? 1/1/2026.
Right.
It is when we select with effective date as current date, it is showing finance director, active payroll eligible. We select November 1st. There are no records. Just select this one. Inactive payroll eligible.
Active.
And suppose we select January 2026. Let us take put. Now we are having 2 records. To remember that one, we cannot delete the record. Okay, we can track back. So in Oracle HCM, there is no concept of deletion. Only inactive. The record will become inactive. So what is this one? This is a rehire. For rehire also, the person number would be the same. This is one of the important interview question. When you rehire a person, whether the person number will change? No, it won't be. It won't change. It won't change. Person number won't change. Go to Roberts Rebecca. So why it is showing here _2?
Because this is the second assignment, sir.
Yes, this is the second assignment. Means after coming from the rehire.
Yes.
We have ended that assignment. The first assignment was already ended.
And
This is second assignment. Okay. 1/1/26, fresh one. We will click on the old one.
Okay.
Okay. It become inactive. I want to select 2026.
We'll get
Now we
new.
are having 2 records. So I want to see the first record, whether the relationship ended or not, work relationship. Say this is 7583. It become inactive. Okay. It was ended. Okay. When it was ended,
July 31st, sir. July
why it
31st.
is not showing here? Why it is not showing here?
July
Send it
31st,
on
because if
31st, so from next day onwards.
So search here.
the
Rebecca
pen,
Roberts.
Okay. This is active.
Now here it will show. When you hire here, January 1st, 2025. Now what is the effective end date for this transaction?
okay, 31st. So after 31st, it will get reflected, is it so?
See, this end date is 31st. So for this particular E753 active payroll eligible, end date is there.
Yes.
End date is there. But if you select inactive payroll eligible, means that is called what? Terminated work relationship.
Yes.
This is the active work relationship.
Yes, sir.
So when the terminated work relationship will start?
From August 1st.
August 1st. Very good. So now inactive payroll eligible. You click here. When the terminated work relationship will start? August 1st. Okay. So this is the termination date. This is the hire date.
Sir, click on that view history, sir. What will okay. This is
Okay.
okay. So here, okay. Hire and execution. That's
So everybody understood how to hire an employee, how to
Yes,
terminate
sir.
the employee, and how to rehire the employee.
understood.
Yes, sir.
So definitely there would be one interview question on termination, rehire, and person record, and whether you can delete the person record or not. It's a definite interview question. And what is meant by work relationship? So work relationship is one of the important concepts in Oracle HCM Cloud. There will be definite interview question on today's class.
Okay.
Hire, terminate, rehire. This is a high level 20,000 feet. Generally, what HR will do is these 3 only. Hire, terminate, and rehire. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, team. Today we have completed only 2 topics. Thought of completion of these 3 also. But I don't want to rush. Okay, no problem. We can complete this tomorrow. These are very small. So already we have seen create work relationship, right? So work relationship.
Yes, sir.
Whether it is rehire or same, rehire or hire work relationship is same. From create work relationship only, we have selected that action as rehire an employee. Right?
Yes, sir.
From the create work relationship only, we have selected that action as because there is no rehire here now.
Yes, sir.
It was not terminated. It won't come right. Already why it was hired again on January 1st, 2026. That's what already one future dated transaction is there. Again, you cannot rehire the same person. Already rehire is completed with future dated. If you want to add a contingent work relationship or add employee work relationship or add non-work relationship, we can use this work relationship, create work relationship.
Sir, now we rehired this particular employee on January 1st, 2026. If we want to prepone that, what means joining and all, so what's the step we need to do, sir?
I didn't understood.
No, we are hiring employee on January 1st.
Yeah,
Okay. The joining date will be the same or else 1 week later. Okay.
okay.
If we want to postpone, prepone, not postpone, if we want to prepone the joining date and all, where we need to go and
So we will go to
do the
pending workers transaction, right?
pending worker. Okay.
He will become the pending worker right now.
Till joining date, he'll be.
So at this point of time, it will not show. Once the termination got triggered, then it will show under pending. Because first of all, the active work relationship is there, right?
Yes, sir.
Until okay. So I hope everybody understood the concept. So create work relationship.
Yes, sir.
Create work relationship is also, so rehire an employee itself is a part of create work relationship.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes, sir. Clear.
So tomorrow we will see change assignment, add assignment, and end assignment. So already we have completed remaining all these things. So later point of time we will go to this one. Okay. So I'm going fast, I'm going slow, or is it fine?
No, sir, it's fine now.